चावल चावल मिल गए। अरे नहीं बने मोरे दिए प्लेट में बना हो तो मेरे दे दूर तो
मेरे वीडियो को डिस्कस करके क्लास 11th हिस्ट्री NCERT book 1 early society from the beginning of the time and writing and the city life. Early society. टाइमलाइन फिक्स 6 MB से लेकर के 1 BCE की है। इसमें हाउ टू रीड टाइमलाइन क्यों पढ़ते हैं। And you will find other timeline like this in the every section in each of the thus and will the indicated some of the major process and event in the world history as you the study the timelines. Remember the timelines and remember process through which shaped and history are far the most difficult to made then event and such as the bar and the between kings and some the dates and may the indicates the beginnings of other process.
चावल बन गए तो साइना
Process or when it is the reach and the maturations and historians are the consultancy and reviving the dates in the light of the new evidence or the new ways of the asserting and old data. While we have the divided the timelines on other geographicals and basis as other matter of the conveniences historicals and development often transect and thus the divisions and also there is other chronological overlap in the historical process. Only some landmarks and in the human history and have been the shown here and we have the highlighted the processes deal with in the themes and that follow and which also have the spirit and timeline. Wherever you see other you will and also the find other illustrations and related to the date and along the columns. And remember that the blanks and spaces and do not mean the nothings and was happening the sometimes and thus the indicator that we do not as at and now what was the happenings. You will be the learning and more the about and some Asian history in the generals and Indian history in the particulars next years. The dates selected and for the South Asia are only the indicatives of some of the development in the subcontinent. This timeline focus on the emerge of the human and the demonstrations of the plants and animals and it highlights the some major technologically development such as the use of the fires and metal plug agriculture and the wheel and other the process that are the shown and includes the emergence of the cities and the use of writings and you will also the find mention of the some of the earlier empires and a theme that will be the developed in timeline second. Timeline first 6 MBA and 5000 BP and the Australopithecus and fossils 5.9 MBA and evidence of the use of fires and 1.5 MBA and Homo sapiens fossils 1 lakh 95,000 before the birth of the Jesus Christ and 5000 to 150 BC and evidence of the fires and 4 lakh BC पेंटिंग इन द केव्स एंड रॉक शेल्टर्स 30,000 to 10,000 BC and painting in the caves and rock shelters, especially the France and Spain. 700 and 800 before BCE, domestications of the cattle and dog and cultivations यूरोप में क्या था, कल्टीवेशन हुआ था ऑफ व्हीट एंड बार्ले का ग्रीस में 600 से लेकर के 500 एडी में BC, 400 से लेकर 300 BC में डोमेस्टिफिकेशंस ऑफ द डंकीज of cultivation of the millets and use of the copper threads 300 से लेकर के 200 में क्या हुआ था, प्लक एग्रीकल्चर एंड फर्स्ट द किंगडम्स सिटीज एंड पिरामिड्स एंड कैलेंडर्स एंड हाइलोजेपिक्स स्क्रिप्ट मिली थी, राइट ऑन द पियरास इजिप्ट। डोमेस्टिक ऑफ द हॉर्स को ईस्टर्न यूरोप में 2000 से लेकर के 1900 में क्या हुआ था, सिटीज प्लेसेस एंड यूज ऑफ द ब्राउन्स और द पोटर्स व्हील बनने लगे थे एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ट्रेड का होने लगा था क्रेट्स में 1900 और 1800 एंड 1817 से 1716 में डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट हुआ था यूरोप में। यूज़ ऑफ द ग्रास बोटल्स का इजिप्ट में यूज़ ऑफ ग्रास बोटल्स बनने लगी थी इजिप्ट में। यूज़ ऑफ आयरन 1100 से लेकर के 1000 में यूज़ ऑफ आयरन होने लगा था यूरोप में, और इजिप्ट में 900 से 800 तक सिटी ऑफ द क्या था, कार्थेज इस्टेब्लिश्ड इन द नॉर्थ अफ्रीका एंड बाय द फेनोसियंस फ्रॉम द वेस्ट एशियाज एंड ग्रोइंग ट्रेड अराउंड द मेडिटेरियंस 800 से 700 यूज़ ऑफ द ईरान एंड सूडान्स 700 से 600 एडी में क्या हुआ था, यूज़ ऑफ द ईरान इजिप्ट में सूडान में। फर्स्ट ओलंपिक गेम हुआ था ग्रीस में 1760 BC में होता, बिफोर द बर्थ ऑफ द जीसस क्राइस्ट। यूज ऑफ द कॉइन हुई थी ग्रीस में, इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था द रोमन रिपब्लिक 510 BC में। 500 से लेकर के 400 में पर्शियन इन्वेडर्स आए थे इजिप्ट में, इस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इन एथेंस 500 से 400 एडी में। 400 से लेकर के 300 एडी में इस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑफ द अलेक्जेंड्रिया इथिप्स एंड 332 BC में एंड विच बिकम द मेजर सेंट्रिक ऑफ द लर्निंग एंड 400 से लेकर के 300 एडी में अलेक्जेंडर ऑफ मैसेडोनिया कॉन्क्वर हुआ था इजिप्ट में एंड पार्ट ऑफ द वेस्ट एशिया 336 से लेकर के 323 BC में। 300 से लेकर के 200 एडी में एंड 200 से 1000 में और 1000 से 1 BCE में कॉइन्स आ गए थे यूरोप में। एशिया और साउथ एशिया एविडेंस यूज ऑफ द फायर का यूज़ हो एशिया और साउथ एशिया में, और साउथ एशिया में। एविडेंस ऑफ यूज़ ऑफ फायर्स का 7000 बिफोर द बर्थ ऑफ द जीसस क्राइस्ट चाइना में हो गया था, और स्टोन एज साइड इन रिवात साउथ एशिया में पाकिस्तान। होमोसेपियंस फॉसिल डोमेस्टिक ऑफ डॉग्स एंड केविन पेंटिंग भीमबेटका बनी थी मध्य प्रदेश में। होमोसेपियंस आ गए थे श्रीलंका में। डोमेस्टिक ऑफ शिप्स एंड गोट कल्टिवेशंस एंड बीट्स बार्ले चाइना में हो गया था। डोमेस्टिक ऑफ पिग एंड कैटल्स 700 BC में ईस्ट एशिया में। डोमेस्टिक ऑफ चिकन कल्टिवेशंस ऑफ मिलेट एंड याम ईस्ट एशिया में होगा। कल्टिवेशन ऑफ कॉटन साउथ एशिया में। यूज़ ऑफ कॉपर्स एंड वेस्ट एशिया में। यूज़ ऑफ द पॉटर्स व्हील फॉर द ट्रांसपोर्ट 3600 BC राइटिंग हो गई थी 3200 BCE में एंड मेसोपोटामिया ब्रोंज में। और यूज़ ऑफ कॉपर हुआ था पाकिस्तान और इंडिया में। एंड साइट्स ऑफ द हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन यूज़ ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट 2700 BC में मिली थी। डोमेस्टिक ऑफ द वाटर बफेलो ईस्ट एशिया में। सिटीज राइटिंग किंगडम्स एंड चाइनाज में ऑनसांग में। डायनेस्टी एंड यूज़ ऑफ ब्राउन चाइना एंड यूज़ ऑफ आयरन वेस्ट एशिया में। कंपोजिशंस ऑफ द ऋग्वेदा इंडिया में यूज़ ऑफ आयरन एंड मेगालिथ डक्कन्स एंड साउथ इंडिया में, डोमेस्टिक ऑफ द वन हेम्पेड कैमल्स अरेबिया में बन गए थे, यूज़ ऑफ द कॉइन्स टर्की में, पर्शिया एम्पायर 546 BCE बिफोर द बर्थ ऑफ द जीसस क्राइस्ट एंड विद द कैपिटल एड द पर्सिपोलिस एंड चाइनीज एंड फिलोसोफर्स आ गए थे उस टाइम में, एंड कॉन्फ्यूशियस एंड 551 BCE। एंड जो सिटीज़ थी इंडिया में, सिटीज़ एंड स्टेट इन सेवरल एरियाज, फर्स्ट कॉइन स्प्रेड हो गई थी ऑफ जैनिज्म एंड बुद्धिज्म, एस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑफ द मौर्य एम्पायर 321 BCE and established of and the empires in China and 221 BC, beginnings of the constructions of the Great Wall। अमेरिका और ऑस्ट्रेलिया पैसिफिक आइलैंड में क्या क्या हुआ, 6 MBS से लेकर के 30 BP बिफोर द बर्थ में मिर्ची का उत्पादन हो गया था, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में होमोसेपियंस आ गए थे, होमोसेपियंस फोसिल ईयरलियर इंडिकेटिंग्स ऑफ शी फायरिंग होने लगी थी 13 से लेकर के 1300 से लेकर के 1300 से लेकर के 100 AD तक, 100 AD तक BC तक का। इसमें होमोसेपियंस फोसिल 1200 BC में आ गए थे, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में पेंटिंग होने लगी थी, अमेरिका में के कल्टीवेशन ऑफ स्कर्स और कल्टीवेशन ऑफ बीन होने लगा था, कल्टीवेशन ऑफ कॉटन बॉटम ग्राड एंड डोमेस्टिक ऑफ द Guinea pigs and Turkey, cultivations of maize and cultivations of potato, chilies and kebabs and peanuts, domestications of alma and llama and the alpaca। और इसमें क्या होता है, ओलमेक्स सेटलमेंट अराउंड द गल्फ ऑफ द मैक्सिको में हो गया था, अमेरिका में एन एयरली टेम्पल एंड स्कल्पचर्स बन गए थे, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द हेरियोलिथ स्क्रिप्ट का हो गया था। और इधर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में होमोसेपियंस पेंटिंग बनने लगी 20,000 BC में, एक्टिविटी होने लगी थी, चूज वन डेट फ्रॉम द ईच ऑफ द 6 क्लाउंस और 6 कॉलम्स एंड डिस्कस द पोजिशन पॉसिबल सिग्निफिकेंट ऑफ द प्रोसेस एंड इवेंट फॉर द मैन एंड वुमन लिविंग इन द रीजन्स। और इसमें सेटलमेंट इन द पोलिनेशियन एंड द माइक्रोनेशियन का हो गया था। टाइमलाइन थीम फर्स्ट, फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टाइम, फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टाइम, शुरुआत का समय कैसा था। दिस चैप्टर ट्रेस द बिगिनिंग्स ऑफ द ह्यूमन एक्सिस्टेंसेस, इट वाज द 5.6 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो रिटन एज द M/A million year ago, M/A written as the million year ago, M/A, and that the first humans like the creation appearance on the earth surface. After this the several forms of the humans emerged, and then the becomes existence human being and remembering use the hence forms for the referred to as the modern humans, and the originated about the 1,60,000 years ago, and during this long period of the hunting animal, during this long period of the human history, people obtained food by the either and the savings or the huntings animals and gatherings plants produced, and they also the learn and how to the make make stone tools and to the communicated with each others, and although others the ways of obtaining the food were adapted letters and hunting the gatherings and continued events and today, and there are the hunters and gatherers and societies in the some parts of the world, and which makes us the wonder whether the lifestyle of the present day hunter gatherers and can and tell us anything about the past. Discovery of the human fossil and stone tools and cave painting help us to the understand an early human history, and each of the discoveries has other history of its the ovens, and a very often when such find were the first made, and most the scholars and refuse to the expected, and that the fossil and were the remains of the early humans, and they were also the skeptical and about the availability of the early human to make the stones tools or painting. It was only over the period of the time, and that the rules that the true significance of thus finds was the realized the evidence for the humans evolutions and comes forms. The fossil of the species of humans and which have become the existential fossils can be dated and either through the direct chemicals analysis or the indirect by datings or the sediments and in which they are buried. And once fossils are dated, the sequence of the human evolution can be worked out. When such the discoveries and were first made about 200 years ago, and many the scholars and were often the religious stand on to the accepted that the fossil and other finds the including stones, tools and painting and were the actually connected and with the early forms of the humans. And this the religious tenses and generally the estimate and from there the relief in the Old Testament of the Bibles, and according to which human origins and was the regarded as in the act of the creation by the God. For instance, in the August 1856, and workmen who were the quarrying and for the limestones in the Nindar Valley and C. Mif 2 and P18 are the Georgians, the German cities of the Dusseldorf. Found in the schools and the some skeletals and the fragmented and thus were the handed and over to the Karl and the Fuhal Road. A local school masters and the naturals and the historians who released that and they did not belong it to other modern human, and he then made other plasters cast to the schools and the send it to the Hermans and the scaffolding the professors of the anatomy eight Bonn universities the following years, and they jointly published other paper and claiming that this school represented other form of the human and that was the existence, and at that time scholars did not accept it and this view and the instead and declared that the schools and belonging to the person of the more recent time. Fossil are the remains or the impressions of other very the old plants and animals or the human and which have the turned into the stones, and thus are the often and embedded and in the rock and are thus the preserved for the million of years. Species is a group of the organism and that can the breed and to the produce fertility of springs, and members of one the species cannot mate with those of the other species and to produce the fertility of springs. Recovering fossils are painstaking and process. Recovering the fossils and the precise and location of the finds is important for dating. Show the equipment used to the records and the location of finds and the secured and frame to the left of the archaeologist is the grid and divided into the 10 centimeters squares and placing it's over the fight and support help to the record and the horizontals and positive positions and of the fights. The triangulars and the apparatus and to the right side is used to record the vertical positions. So how the fossil fragmentation is covered from the surrounding stone in this case are the variety of the lime and the limestones and in which it is the embedded, and as you can see this the requires and skills and the patience. November 1824, November 1859, and when the Charles and Darwin's on the origins of species was published, and Mark is other landmark in the study of the evolution all the 12,000 1500 1250 copies of the first print and were the sound and out the same days, and Darwin argues and that the human had the evolved and from the animals a long time ago. The school of the Neanderthals and men the sum of those and who the dismissed the antiquities and of the schools and regarded and it as the brutes or that of other pathological ideals. activity must. Most religions have the stories about the creation of the human beings and which often do not correspond with specific and discovery scientific discoveries and find out about the sum of those and the compare them and with the history of the human's evolutions as the discussed in this chapter. The story of the human evolutions, precursions and of the modern human beings, and looks it thus the four and the schools. A belongs to and the app. A belongs to a the species now as the Australopithecus and C belongs and B. C belongs to other species. C. C belonging to other species and now as the Homo sapiens and literary thinkery and wise the man wise. D belonging to the species now and the Homo sapiens and literary thinkings and wise and man and to which all the present day human being belongs. And list is the many similarities and different that you notice looking and the carefully. It the brain case and throw. Brain case and the low jaws and teeth. The different and that you notice in the schools and so in the illustrations and are the sum of the changing and there the sum about as a result of the human's evolutions. The story of the human evolution is the enormously and long and the somewhat and complicated and there are also many the unanswered question and new data often lead to other revisions and the modification of earlier understandings. And let us the look at the sum of the development and there the implications and more the closely. It is possible to trace thus the development and back to the between and 36 and the 24 m by a and we sometimes find it the difficult and to the conceptualize and such longs spans of time and if you the consider other page of your books and to the presented in 10,000 years in itself is a vast and span of times and 10 pages and would the represented and the 10,000 represented 1 lakh and years and a the 100 pages and would equals and 1 million year. To think of the 36 million years and you would have to the images other books and 3600 pages and long and that was when the primates a the categories of the mammals and emerged in Asia and Africa and subsequently and by about the 24 m by there emerged a the subgroups and the amongst the primates and called the hominoids and this the includes apes and much later and about the 5.6 billion year ago we find evidence of the first hominids while hominids and have the evolved and from the hominids and share the certain and common the features and there are the major differences as well the nodes have other similar as the smaller brain than the hominoids and they are the quadruped and walking on all four and but with the flexible and the foray limb and the hominid and by the contract and have an uprights and the postures and the bipedals and the locomotions and walking on 2 feet. There are also the marked and different in the hand, which enables the makings and use of tools and we will the examine the kind of tools and made and their the significant more closely later. Two times of the evidence and suggested and the Africa origins for hominids and first it is the It is the group of the Africans apes and that are the most closely related to the hominids. Second, the air list and the hominids and fossils and which belongs to the genus and Australopithecus and have been found in the East Africa and date back to the about 5.6 million year ago. In the contract, fossil found the outside Africa are no the oldest and then the 1.8 million years. Primates and are other subgroup of other larger groups of other mammals, and they include the monkey and apes and the humans, and they have body and hair other relatively and long the gestations and period following birth and memories and glands and different types of the teeth and the ability to the maintain other content body temperature. The evolution of the hand others show the precisions and grips of the chimpanzees A and B and show the powers and grip of the human hand and C the shows the precisions and grip of the hominids and development of the powers and grip the probably and proceeded and the precisions and grips. Compare the precisions and grips of the chimpanzee and with the date of the human hand. Make other list of the things you do using other precision grips and what are the things and you do using other power grip. Hominids and belonging to other family and now as the hominids and which the included all the forms of human beings. The descriptives and characteristics of the hominids include other large and the brains and size and uprights and postures, bipedal locomotions and the specializations of the hand and hominids are the further and subdivided into the branches and known as the genus of which the Australopithecus and Homo are important and each of those in the term and included and several species and the major difference between the Australopithecus and the Homo related to the brain size and jaws and teeth. The formers has other smaller brain size and heavier the jaw and the larger teeth there. The letters the virtually is all the name and giving why the scientists to species are derived and from the Latin and the Greek word. For instance, the name and the Australopithecus and come from say the Latin word and Australs and meanings and the southern and other Greek word and the Pithecos and meanings ape. The name was given and because this the earliest form of human still and retains many the features of and the ape and such as other relatively small brain and size in the comparisons and to Homo and large back teeth and the limited and dexterities of the hands and the uprighting walking and was also the restricted as they still stand a lot of the time on trees and they retained and characterized such as long and the forelimbed and curved and hand and foot bones and the mobile ankle joined the situated to the life on trees and over times as tools and making and along the distance walking and increasing many humans characteristic also developed. Hominoids are the different from the monkeys in other numbers of the ways and they have other larger body and do not have other tail. And beside there is other longer period of infrared development and the dependency among the hominids and this is other view of the old ways and Georgia in the Rift Valley and East Africa and sea maps and one of the areas and from which the trace of the early human history have been the recovered and notice the different level of the earth and at the centers of the photographs each of those the represented other distinct geological phase. The discovery of the Australopithecus and the Olduvai and Georgia, 17 July 1959. The Olduvai and George C. the 14th was the first discovered in the early and the 20th century by other German and butterflies and collectors, and the however the old UI and has comes to be the identified with many and the Louis Locke and who worked here and for over the 40 years it was Mary Locke and who directed the archaeological excavations and in the old UI and the Light-Ollies, and she made some of the most exciting discoveries. This is what the Lucia and Leakey and wrote about one of theirs and most remarkable finds. That the morning I woke with other head H's and the slides and favors the Rilu instantly and I agreed to spread the day in the camps and which one of us and out of the commissions and it was the even and more the battles and for the others and to the continued and the work for over the precarious and sevens the weak seasons was running out and so Mary the departed and for the diggings with the shelly and the tools and two or there the dogs and in the land and rovers the jeep and like the vehicles and I the settled and back to other restless day off sometimes and letters the perhaps first dozed and off I heard the land Roger coming up and fast to the camps, and I have the momentary vision of the Mary Strunks and by one of the our hundred of resident scorpions or the beetles by other snake, and that had the sleeped and passed the dogs. The Land Rovers and rattled and two others stop. And I heard the merry voice and calling over and the overs I have got him and I have got him and I have got him and steal the groggy and from the head H. I couldn't make her out and got what and are you? The heart and I asked him and the man and Mary said the one we have been and looking for the 23 years and conclusion I have found this his teeth from funding the world and the earliest man and by the LSB and the Leaky and National the Geographical 118 September 180 1960.